Hey, you know the grind don't stop. Let's get it.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Before and After the Mix. Thank you for being here. Thank you for clicking and hopefully watching till the very end. This form of content, I hope it helps someone out there, especially if they do not have TubeBuddy yet. Just like the title in the thumbnail states, is TubeBuddy worth it? I've been using TubeBuddy for about 4 or 5 months now, give or take. And speaking for myself, specifically myself, I believe it's worth it, right? And I am a realist because just because I'm using the best practices that TubeBuddy is saying to use, it does not mean the views, the likes, the fame and the money will come overnight. That's not what it is at all. It's just great, amazing practices to have under your belt. So when you do decide not to use TubeBuddy anymore, you'll still retain them. It's like muscle memory. You'll be able to utilize them. But I don't know why you would get rid of TubeBuddy, because it saves you so much time and money too. I know it. Try out the free version first, and then over time they'll come to you. Yes, TubeBuddy will come to you and offer you a one-time fee, and for the year or whatever, because that's how it went about for me and for another person that I know of. So check out the free version, practice, use it, and then when you're ready to level up, right now I'm using the pro version and it saves me so much time, money, and you know what, let's not talk about it. Let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and go to the setup real quick. And last thing, thank you again for coming and for watching. Let's get into it. All right, everybody, so we're now at the setup. Let's get into it. So is TubeBuddy worth it? We'll find out. Let's find out. All right, so this is my channel. As you guys can see, right at the top right here, I put TubeBuddy, the very first clickable link. I make sure it works. Just click on it, and when it opens up for you on your end, if you don't have TubeBuddy, it won't open up to something like this. You'll have to sign in, create, your page, and then give TubeBuddy permission to link with YouTube, so on and so forth, and then they could start, so you can start using it, right? Free, of course. Try the free version, or you can level up and get pro, and and go beyond. Right at the very top, right above my head, right here, it says a license pro. I'll go ahead and show you guys the few perks that I have as a pro member. Okay, you know what, let me get my mug off of here. Here we go, much better, right? So Audio Hero, I don't have that because I'm using something else, but it's free for me if I wanted to. Epidemic Sounds, I used to have Epidemic Sounds. That used to run me $50 a month. $50 a month to use Epidemic Sounds, right? But with TubeBuddy, I would have 25% off, so that would save me some money already. I don't know much about this. I don't use it. I don't the Juke Deck. I don't use them, but they're free. If they're not free, they have like discounts off. So it's really, really good. And that's music and audio. You have another section, video and graphics. All these tools right here, like free, 30% off, free. Like, it's amazing. Services and training. Like, come on, 60% off. Like, look at all these savings. And then, of course, at the very end, make YouTube your business. Free. At the very, and then last but not least, you have mobile apps. I do have that. It's free for me. I use it every single day. Affiliation Center. Let me go ahead and click on that. I need to dedicate some time specifically to just crush TubeBuddy. Like, literally spend, like, treat it as if like it, from Monday to Sunday, just live and breathe TubeBuddy, so I can, so I can basically use everything that it offers. I'll go back to the home page. It's amazing. It's amazing. All right. You know what? Health report. I'll show you guys my health report. Because it's linked to my channel specifically. Everything on here is in regards to my channel. And again, I don't mind showing you guys. Some will be good, some will be bad, but based on what I'm seeing here, I know exactly what I need to spend more time on. I mean, it has all the data and everything. Number of videos, well, it will be 550 because of, you know, I'm uploading this one on there, you know. But yeah, views, subscribers, engagement. So my engagement, it looks like it's going up. My subscribers is going down, and I'm okay with that. Why? Because I'm trying to grow organically rather than trying to do that growth stream shit how I started on here. No cap. All right, views going down. Not a lot of people are watching. It happens, and that's okay. So this is engagement. I am in general sharing, all green. People are sharing. Well, the few that are watching, that are you know, engaging with my videos, there, it looks good. This good. Retention, not so well. Not so well, but you know, for the several few that's watching, it adds up really quick. Average view duration 3 minutes. Sucks. Needs to get that way up there, you know, in due times. Average watch time 22%, 50, you know, it looks good. Audience, this portion right here, device, okay, it gives me everything. 72.2% of people usually watch on their phone, which makes sense, on the go, you know. Desktop is next, iPad, the TV. That's cool. Look at me, I'm on TV. All right. Region, always good to have, so you know when you should post, you know, the time differences and everything. United States is looks like it's ahead. Philippines used to be ahead for me, but they dropped down significantly because I stopped doing going to like several growth streams a day, and like once I learned that, you know, it's not the proper way to grow on YouTube, and if you're still going, you know, going to growth stream to get people to come to support you, that's fine, but you're only gonna end up hurting yourself in the long run. All right, just wanted to get that out there. All right, so this is my health report using Tubebuddy, which is amazing to have. All right, let me go ahead and back out. This is all right. So, all right. Promo. Again, if I level up to the next level beyond pro, I'll have more perks. But for now, I think I am all set where I am. I am all set. And again, I've been using it for the past 4 or 5 months or so, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's see. Another thing I could show you guys is how to rank a video using Tubebuddy. It saves you so much time and money. Okay. All right. So once you give Tubebuddy permission to link up with your YouTube account, you will come on here. You will click it. I use Keyword Explorer a lot. I use Seo Studio a lot. Video Topic Planner, not so much, but I need to, and I am going to. Tag list, I need to do that as well. Best time to publish is one thing that I know I need to, like, I need the entire data on, so I know when to do so. Click magnet, not so much. I don't use that a whole lot. See, again, use Tubebuddy, but once you have it, either the free or the pro version like I do, use it the way you want to. It's yours, but of course try your best to use it, you know, the best practices, so it becomes like second nature to you. Let me go ahead and click on Keyword Explorer. Like for this video, actually, as soon as I start typing, it's like, so it will start giving you like suggestion. Is Tubebuddy safe? That's not what the video is about, but I just want to click on it to see what the score is right now. Fair, 24 out of 100. So you keep messing around with it until you find a score, you know, to your liking. Of course, is Tubebuddy worth it in 2020? Let's see. Come on now, drum roll please. 71 out of 100. Decent score, but of course you got to look down here also. Search volume, is people searching for this video? They are fairly searching, which is why I'm making the video. Competition is excellent. Optimization strength also excellent. Let's see, this is unweighted, so you know it doesn't matter. This score is basically for everyone. Weighted is specifically to my channel, and look how the score dropped down from 71 to 68 when I clicked on weighted. Weighted is specifically, you see the score above is specifically to your channel. So with both scores like this, I would definitely go ahead and make this video. I do have something set up already. Let's see, this video right here, I uploaded this one literally yesterday, and today's the 16th, October 16th, 2020. I uploaded this one October 15th of 2020. Let's see, and of course I've used Tubebuddy to come up with this title, New Best of Tony Baker, and of course, as well as the hashtags on here, it generated all that for me. So basically, anywhere you see the Tubebuddy logo, insignia, if you want to call it that, it's Tubebuddy there doing what they do best, which is looking out for your channel, right? Let's see, I've got 489 out of 500 hashtags, so I'm content with that. I'm happy, and the video is doing fairly well. Of course, Tony Baker, who doesn't love Tony Baker? Well, I do. I don't know about you who's watching, you know, right now, but I guess I can use this as a time for a plug. Check out my Tony Baker videos, you know, it'll definitely get you laughing. So here you go, I'm done with that. But yeah, as you can see, it's scaling up. It's gonna go up. Of course, the topic, the thumbnail, the hashtag, using Tubebuddy, it's a whole package deal. So if you want, as a content creator, if you want to do well on here, you need the entire package deal, right? So whatever tools, if it's free, I always say it's for me. If it helps, do it. So let me go ahead and click on Tubebuddy again. This time I'm gonna check out the Seo Studio, which I utilize a lot, and I'm gonna show you why. So first thing first, after you pick your keyword explorer, you know, whatever your keyword is, you will put it in here, enter, and then you click start, and you'll follow the steps and procedures to optimizing the video using Tubebuddy. I have something in place already, so I'm gonna click a load from save draft. You can save your stuff on here, so you know it's all in one place. This is the video that I'm making right now. Is Tubebuddy worth the money? I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. It already gives me, you know, it has a score for me, 75 out of 100. And of course I'm gonna okay, that's next down here. I'm gonna click on next. The next step is the tags that Tubebuddy generated for me, and I'm gonna put more tags as well because it's gonna help me generate more, of course. Third step is the thumbnail, and it shows me where my thumbnail is. Like, it compares it to other people who's covering the same topic as me, and if I have like a better version beyond the pro version of Tubebuddy, I should say, it could also show me where my thumbnail, you know, where my video would rank based on my thumbnail alone and stuff like that, which is amazing. But I am happy and content where I am with Tubebuddy. Just like before, I had the free version, I was happy with it, and then Tubebuddy approached me, and I paid a one-time fee to become, you know, a lifetime member, and I'm happy with that where I am now. But if I ever wanted to level up some more, I could definitely do so, right? So long story short, to answer your question, is Tubebuddy worth it? To me, for me specifically, it's worth it for me. You cannot please everybody. I'm sure there's people out there, they've tried Tubebuddy for like 1 week, 2 weeks, and then they're like, oh, it's not working because they're not getting umpteen amount of views and likes overnight. That's not how this shit works. Especially, again, if you do not have the it factor, it's not going to work out like that for you. For the few, the rare, yeah, sure, why not? But if you don't, I say get Tubebuddy and start utilizing it. Right, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. I say try it out for a few months, the free version, until they approach you. If you want to go pro right away, it's $9 a month, or do that way as well. You know, look into it, spend some time with it, and make it work for you, right? Okay, so I basically answered the question, you guys. Is Tubebuddy worth it? For me, yeah, specifically speaking about me, my channel, it's worth it. Again, the views are not piling up. I'm not making like a shitload of money through the affiliation links or anything like that, because I'm not really promoting it as much as I should. I'm just not low-key plug. But yeah, and if this video helps 1 or 2 people, I'm happy. Mission accomplished. If it helps out more, even better. So if you have any questions, concerns, comments, leave them in the comment section. That's what it's there for, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love and support. And yeah, use Tubebuddy, the free version, the pro version, whatever version you want, whatever version you believe will help you and your channel. It's YouTube. It's for you. Utilize anything that will help. All right. Peace.